Greetings, VAC fans. This G3 from 1993 is a donation from Thomas Rechtenwald, and it's going to get a complete teardown and refurb and get all nice and polished up. And even though it mechanically more or less works pretty much just fine, it doesn't look that good cosmetically. I mean, a green cord? Woo! Yeah, I think it's got some staining, because look at the plug. The plug's about right, but the cord has, instead of yellowed, it's greened out. I can't say that I've really seen that before. That's really unusual. And let's see, somebody put, I think this is duct tape on here. I don't know what they were trying to hold down, because the headlight hood seems to work just fine, as far as I can tell. So this thing, again, cosmetically, is in pretty rough shape. And at some point in time, I'm going to go ahead and tear this thing down and clean it all the way up. Now, I have gone and cleaned the handle, and I washed the bag several times. Seems to be pretty good. So that's what it looks like for now. And hopefully we're going to be able to clean that thing up and make it look just like brand new. Because right now it certainly doesn't look brand new.